All right, what's up, everyone? Happy tomorrow's gonna be Monday. Let's get back to business. Okay, 3-day sell-off, right? We're on a 3-day sell-off, obviously. So, we're under the 200, we're under the 50. Things are looking heavy. In my opinion, tomorrow, I think we could possibly come down to at least 418 before we see a bounce. So I think it could come down to 418, then start trying to climb up. But I believe the Bears have the ball on their side of the court now. It's a lot of things going on. As you know, war overseas is still active. Um, Still got this government shutdown still lingering. And if you're looking at these charts, man, they're looking really, really weak long term, in my opinion. So just tread with cautions because it might be an, a bear run. And I don't know if Santa's going to come and just rally in the next month and a half. So just keep that in mind. We're looking like we might want to go lower. Could start seeing these price levels again very soon. This is where I'm aiming at if we do start breaking lower lows. So let's see what happens. But yeah, we're below the 250 guys, so I'm bearish. So tomorrow just watch 420 to see if it like tries to climb there and like short it. I think 420 is a good zone to watch, in my opinion, to go for puts because after hours on Friday, SPY was literally dancing around 420. Like it looked like it was gonna lose it. So I'm gonna go off for that price. If it does go, not even gonna think twice. I'm gonna just short it. Most likely take the 418 or 419s, whichever price I see reasonable. Let me see. Let me put a line here. Sorry. All right. So the Qs, I'm obviously bearish too, just like SPY. So the Qs, sorry. Yeah, so look, Qs is at a major, major support, right? And the reason why I'm heavy is because look, these daily candles don't have wicks, right? So as a trader or experienced traders, you guys know like wicks are low-key signs of possible trend changing to the opposite side. So like this, you see wick up here, oh, it went down. You see here, wick, 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 will rip up. So this was a strong, solid candle on Friday. That's why I'm like, this has potential to come down. So Qs, just watch 353. With 353 under, we'll definitely bring it to 352. So everything's bearish. Like RSI is bearish, MACD just turned red. So nothing's bullish, guys. Nothing's bullish. All right, so let's go through this list. So I probably got like one or two possible upside plays, but the rest is bear. So new R 8605. So new R tomorrow. We look like we could push up on new R. New relic. All right. So the market's been bad, right, guys? But if you notice, this chart hasn't really been moving down. It's still on a solid uptrend. So maybe when the market decides to shift after these 3 days of selling off, you can see some potential upside. So I'm just put my alert, easy zone, just watch that break for the upside on that one. But yeah, this looks bullish. Obviously, we got to stick up and believe, yeah, look, it's a 10. So the Bears have been here, but not strong. Watch New R. This is probably the only one. I think I got one more bull play, but this is the only one that I've seen so far on my list that looks good for upside. AMD looks good for puts. Yeah. So we're gonna watch AMD under the 50 to see what happens. Don't get me wrong, we could bounce. That's why you have to wait for confirmation. When it gets around that zone, see how the price action moves, see what candles appear and things like that. But AMD looks heavy. Look, we got a kink down on the RSI. We're just going negative on the MAC with an increase. So AMD could definitely come down below $100 for sure tomorrow. AMD. Okay, what else we got? This is the other one thing bull play. I believe I think Nami's already in TLT longs. I'm not too sure. But this looks like it might want to bounce. Everything looks good. We got a higher low, and that's the third one. One, two, third crossing upside. So this doesn't look bad. We could possibly go long around here. TLT there. I was talking about these name on Zoom. These two names on Zoom on Friday. The tobacco stocks. We got Philip Morris. Let me see. So yeah, Philip Morris did a nice rip on third touch. One, two, third on Friday. So we're gonna watch for some continuation on Philip Morris. Right. And Altria, I was mentioning Altria. We're gonna watch continuation on Altria. I really want the 43 calls. So we're just gonna confirm the breakout around 43.20. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna go to 43. They have ER approaching too this week. Keep that in mind. ET guys, I think we could short ET finally. Had 52-week highs last week, right? What happened? Big red candle on the daily on resistance. So this is, I think, a good short up on ET. So we're gonna wait around here. You could get the 14 puts. Go right ahead. You have my blessings. AMC. All right, I'm bearish on AMC. So bearish on AMC. I'm watching this 895 zone to see if we could short it to at least 8.25, because this is resistance right here. If we crack that, we flush lower. And look, one, two, three, these higher pivots, this high one here, these rejections are getting lower. So lower rejection areas is giving me the vibe that we're gonna end up crossing this line to the downside. And this looks weak too, as you guys can see. AMC. T-Dog look like it's gonna squeeze, possibly. What do I know? But it looks like a squeeze up on T-Dog. Let's see. We got a big candle on Friday. We're in super buy zone. We have these RSIs making double bottom. Sorry, double bottom. It's a double bottom. Double bottom extended from the white line of the RSI. So that's definitely a bullish momentum. So just watch above the 1980 zone, I'll say, for T-Doc upside. Uh, like Avid too. Health names look the most decent to go up, because remember, I'm sorry guys. Health names look the most decent to go up, because I called out Merck on Friday and it was doing really well. Um, I'm actually gonna continue watching Merck just in case we could get the 105 calls. 103 though is the good zone price strikes, like the price strike to grab on MRK in my opinion. So since health was moving okay, I'm not saying it was doing great, but that one did very good on Friday. These names do look okay from in my opinion, to go up after a full day sell in the market. So we got Abbott, right? Abbott waked up in a good zone. So we just gonna wait till Abbott gets out of that zone. So the 98.06 area is a good area to watch right here. 50 EMA. Um, I think I got one more. The only ones that I think look bullish. Uh, oh yeah, I said MRK. So this is the funny thing. Um, MRK was moving decent, right, to the upside, right? And from my experience, Bristol Myers also likes to move with MRK. They have some type of bond sometimes. When MRK rips, BMY, and it did kind of work on Friday. Like I'll show you guys. Look, MRK, Merc, right? Look at the big candle put on. This is why I want to continue watching because could possibly go up one more day. So look, Merc did this on Friday, right? I want to show you guys the 15 because the daily spot is gonna look different on BMY. So 15, right? We got so many green candles going up. And look at BMY. BMY was a good play to play at the opening, like Merck. But then after that, you had to sell it. Look, opening drive. It mimicked Merck. It ripped up. But then there was really no catalyst behind it. You know understand? Merck had catalyst. They had some deal going on. They had a drug trial going good for them. So BMY didn't have none of that. So I think that's why it sold off. So I want to continue watching Merck, of course, to the upside. And BMY on the, sorry, I put that twice. On the daily, it looks okay. It doesn't look great. I don't like the wick that is coming from the top, I'll be honest. But I do like that it's holding this price level right here. This candle on the daily, which is this price range holding. So if we hold above here, basically where the wicks are wicking at, we're good on this one. So, and this could be the lagger. So I'm gonna put a 80. Like I said, we hold there, I think we're good. But Merck is definitely a strong one in my opinion. We got a lot of ERs this week, guys, so I'm not gonna flood the watch list this week because I know we're gonna watch a lot of ER IV moves. So look, MRK, honestly, I'll wait for a bounce around 102.80. Right? Because it ripped. I don't think it's gonna rip open higher. It's probably gonna bounce back and then try to go. So wait for that one, all right? Let's talk about the names we usually talk about, right? Apple, because I'm done with my list. My list's not long this weekend. Got the ER moves coming. Make sure I got everything. MOPM, TLT, AMD. All right. So Apple, look, Apple looks heavy, guys. Apple's probably is gonna come down to at least 172 or 170, 190. Then try to bounce. But we look heavy across the board on Apple. It's actually an ugly bear flag kind of move here. Microsoft. Ooh, Microsoft look heavy. Easy flush under 225.20, right? Let me see. Yeah, 225.15. I'm sorry, 225.15. Easy short on Microsoft. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Already tanking. And we don't even got the red guys in, the red Mac, so keep that in mind. If it loses these EMAs, gone. Apple, Microsoft, Google. 1, 2, 3. Same thing for Google. We lose this level, it's going down. So, oh my gosh. This 135.95 area is key. Everything's saying we going to the ground. Still here. This looks bearish too. Google, Microsoft, Apple, Netflix, and then Tesla, right? Yeah. Netflix might put it in a green candle tomorrow. I don't know, because we already got how many? One, two, three, four red candles, and no really much move to the downside, if you ask me. So Netflix could be an upside move. Okay, Tesla, and that's it. Damn, Tesla. Oh man, they got killed. Tesla might leak a little more, guys. Yeah. Oh my God, it's losing a key level. Oh, yeah, yeah. Damn, Tesla might go to 207 tomorrow. Bearish on Tesla, guys. Definitely not bullish. Nope, definitely bearish. This looks bearish. Yeah. This still dark would increase. So I feel like it's gonna drop to around here and then try to bounce. All right. So definitely watch that 220, I'm sorry, 207.50, 207.5 zone for some upside strength. Hopefully bulls come in, buyers try to shake the bears out of here. But yeah, overall, guys, bearish, semi-bearish for tomorrow. Maybe reversal starting to happen midday or maybe an hour after the market, hour and a half. So, all right, gang, that's all I got for y'all. I'll catch y'all on the flip side tomorrow. Have a good night.